Hello everyone, today we are coming to analyze the book chart. As you can see, I'm on the monthly time frame. As you can see, so this is the book chart. You could see that gold is on a very bullish moment. So now let's mark our supply and our demand zones. Okay, so starting from here, you could see that here it was retail traders who were making this kind of transactions. Could you see that? So these are all indecision candles. So we mark our indecision candles. Okay, so let's see, this is our indecision. Let me put it on there. Okay, so just here. Okay, for our supply, so and here. Okay, so you could see that this candle, they are indecision candles. Before this candle, you could see the wick are very small. We call them the ERC candle in supply and demand. Yes, so after this ERC candle, you could see that there was a strong institutional engagement in this kind of transaction. Yeah, so now moving on to the weekly, we want to refine our zone. Okay, so starting from there, you could see that from here we could refine it. Let's say we are going to bring it here. Okay, yeah, so now we have refined our demand on the weekly time frame. Okay, so looking again from here where there was a whole lot of this consolidation, there's a lot of consolidation around here. There's a lot of this one consolidation around there. This is where retail traders, they were heavily engaged in the market. Yes, then after that, then there was what after this, then we saw what market came, the market rallied. Yeah, so for here we will not mark any supply or any demand zone around this zone, just because the consolidation around this zone took a lot of time. It took a lot of time, which means that institutions are no more interested in this kind of transactions, so they are not willing to buy anything around this zone. Yeah, so we are going to ignore it. Yeah, so after that, the market made this indecision candles 1 2 3. Then after that, you can see an ERC candle. So we could just put your this one over here. Then our demand, we are going to put it here. So this is the weekly time frame. Okay, so after that, so you can see this is a lot of what big transaction around here. So we could go to the demand, the daily, to refine that. Okay, so moving on to the daily, we could find there is a kind of, okay, so this is it. Okay, so good, it is here, very good, perfect one. Okay, so just you are refining it to here. Okay, so this is a weekly demand using, we've refined it using the daily time frame. Okay, so again from the daily time frame too, we can get some demand. Let's look for demands. Okay, so we could see after this ERC candle, there were some indecision candles. Then before this candlestick is also an ERC candle, so we are going to put our base here. Okay, so our base here around this, so let's put it around this one. Okay, so we use the 4 hour to refine it. Let's use the 4 hour to refine our data. Okay, so from the 4 hour, you could see this is it. This is very perfect around here. You could see the consolidation, then this candlestick, boom, over here. So that is it. So we can just put our this one over here for the last ERC candle, then you put it around here. Okay, let's put it to a major. Okay, let's just put it here for, okay, so when on all our refinements, so this is where now I'm waiting for gold to come here, look for my confirmation here on the 4 hour, then I'll look for more buys. Yes, so this is where I'm going to look for a buy upon all the zones I've drawn. This is where I'm going to look for more buys. So even after there, I think I can see a supply. I can see a supply here, a supply around this zone. So now either wait for market to come here to see a reaction around here, then I'll see a sell-off, then I'll look for buys. So this is my anticipation on gold. Yeah, thank you.